Hi people, I know why you're here. You're here to learn about the digestive system. Everybody loves eating. However, eating is not just about putting food in your mouth. More to that is the organ system that transforms food into energy. Here is the digestive system. This is Lecxery and you are watching Let's Do This. The food we take are made up of large biomolecules or macromolecules. Our body could not utilize these large molecules directly, thus our digestive system breaks down the polymers in the macromolecules into monomers, which our cells can utilize to get energy or build our own polymers. This is done through a series of chemical and mechanical digestion all throughout the gastrointestinal tract, which you will see on your screen. Once our brain sees a delicious meal or snack, glands in our mouth start to pump out saliva. When we put the food in our mouth, enzymes in the saliva break down the starch in our food and turns it into bolus. Then this bolus goes into the esophagus. Then it is pushed down to the stomach through peristalsis. Acid and enzyme-rich juices are then released in the stomach to break down food. The bolus then turns into chyme after 3 hours in the stomach. It then goes to the small intestine to undergo another series of mechanical and chemical digestion and absorption. The blood then takes the absorbed monomers to the body's organs and tissues. The leftovers continue to the large intestine. The remaining fluid drains through the intestinal wall, leaving only the stool. The large intestine pushes the stool to the rectum, where nerves tell the body to expel this waste. The waste then exits through the anus. Then, the digestive process is complete. Aside from the gastrointestinal tract, we also have our accessory organs. These organs secrete digestive juices and transfer bile, which is stored in the gallbladder. These accessory organs also help maintain our blood glucose levels. The liver both stores glucose from our meals in the form of glycogen. The need to store or release glucose is primarily signaled by the hormones insulin and glucagon. Receptors in the pancreas sense high or low blood glucose levels and secrete glucagon or insulin to maintain normal levels. When blood glucose level drops, the level of insulin decreases, and cells in the pancreas release glucagon, causing the liver to turn stored glycogen back into glucose and release it into the blood. When blood glucose level is high, insulin is released to signal the liver, muscle, and fat cells to remove glucose from the blood and store it as glycogen. The set of chemical reactions that transform food into energy or building blocks is what we call metabolism. Metabolism is a balance of anabolism and catabolism. In anabolism, small molecules are turned into large or more complex molecules, while in catabolism, large molecules are broken down in order to release energy. Metabolism is affected by body temperature. The cells and enzymes in our body need a specific range of temperature in order to function. Enzyme activity and metabolism is low when the body is too hot or too cold, but fastest at optimum temperature. Animals who maintain a constant body temperature have the highest metabolic rates, and the processes of maintaining these may increase metabolic rate. Metabolism is also affected by body size. Moreover, in general, the bigger the living being, the higher its metabolic rate. However, when adjusted for body mass, the smallest have the highest metabolic rates since they have more surface area relative to body mass, so more heat is lost. Lastly, metabolism is affected by an organism's physiological state. For example, when a child is growing or when a mother is carrying a child, they have such a big appetite, meaning they have higher metabolic rates. This is because certain conditions of the body require more energy and nutrients to supply the body's needs. And that is all for the digestive system. If you want to learn more, you can check out my previous videos or you can subscribe to my channel. Also, give a thumbs up if you have learned something. Thank you for watching. See you next time.